The Daily Code Snippet. Now we can take a look at some text layout properties. We use text align to adjust the alignment of text within its containing element. The acceptable values for text align are left, to left align the text, right, to right align the text, center, to center the text, justify, to justify the text so that all the lines of text have the same width. The gaps between words will vary. Justifying text should be accompanied with some level of hyphenation, or the spacing between words can look bad, especially if the text contains several long words. Let's look at some examples to observe the differences between these options. Here's the HTML. As you can see, we have taken lorem ipsum placeholder text and placed it into 4 different paragraph text examples, each with a unique class. For class left align, we will left align the text. For class right align, we will right align the text. For center align, we will center the text. And for class justification, we will justify the text. Here is the CSS. In our first 2 examples, we will left align the text, text align left, and right align text, text align right. We have made the width a little bit shorter so that we can see these changes a little bit better. In the second set of examples, we will center align the text with width 80% text align center, and class justification, we will justify the text. Text align justify. Here is the result. For text align set to left, the straight edge helps us identify the left margin to which the text aligns. In this example, the straight edge shows how the text aligns to the right. Here, the straight edge is at the center, and the text balances equally on either side. With justify, the text stretches across from the left margin to the right margin. You can see that the gap between words varies. So in some instances, the text looks too spaced out, while in other areas it is too tight. We have not added hyphenation, but this would be recommended to balance the lines and spacing. Presented by Designers Learn Code.